Hello students, today's topic is blood circulation. The blood flows through the heart twice to complete one full circulation, and this is called double circulation. At first, blood flows from right side of the heart to lungs and then return to left side of the heart. This is called pulmonary circulation. As you can see here, from right ventricle the blood goes to lungs, and from lungs blood returns back to left auricle. This is called pulmonary circulation. And the second time, blood when comes in left auricle, the oxygenated blood goes to left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes to all body parts. This is called systemic circulation. In this way, you can see here that blood flows twice in the heart, and this is called double circulation. That is pulmonary and systemic, both are the types of blood circulation in heart, and including both it is called as double circulation. Now the next is blood circulation in heart. The deoxygenated blood from different body parts is received in right auricle from superior vena cava and from inferior vena cava. Through inferior vena cava, impure blood from lower body parts comes in right auricle, and from upper body part through superior vena cava, deoxygenated blood comes in right auricle. When blood enters in right auricle, at the same time oxygenated blood comes in left auricle. Right side of the heart is for impure blood, and left side of heart always receives pure blood. When the right auricle contracts, at the same time left auricle will also contract to pass the blood from auricles to ventricles. Then the valves between auricles and ventricles, it will close to avoid the backflow of blood. Then right ventricle begins to contract. This right ventricle, it will contract so that the deoxygenated blood can goes to lungs through pulmonary artery. During the contraction of ventricles, at the same time left ventricle walls will also contract to pump the pure blood through aorta to different body parts. The semilunar walls close with a sound when the blood in ventricles has been pushed into arteries. This is the circulation of blood twice in heart. The same thing I have explained here in flowchart manner, as you can see here. the same process is explained here. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, explain the process of blood circulation in human heart. Question number 2, explain pulmonary and systemic blood circulation. Thank you.